What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So I'm right here in front of a 2021 Toyota Supra. Now this car has been featured on the channel several times in the past, but he is back making a little bit more power. Now previously he was running on an E52, now he got retuned on full E85. He's a complete full bolt-on car with port injection. He did not get dynoed, but we're assuming he's probably making somewhere around low 500s to the wheels. And he's been running up against a 2019 Mercedes C63 S AMG. Now this car has also been on the channel several times, and actually these two has raced in the past, back when the Supra was on E50. So this is going to be a rematch. Now this car has upgraded downpipes, intakes, with a custom E30 tune and a CPC tune. The only thing he's missing is a TCU tune. Now he's making low 600s to the wheels and over 700 pound-feet of torque. So we're expecting this to be a much closer race than the one in the past. So both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes.
We'll do the U-turn first, I guess?
Yeah. No, we can do it here. All right, guys. So I'm here in the Supra, and the first race we're gonna do is gonna be from 60 miles an hour. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, good race. What a difference. It looked like you got him by like a car and a half max. That was good. All right, guys. Round 2, we're gonna do a 40 roll. You ready? Wait. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Close. Creeping. Oh, you let off. What speed you let off at?
50.
150. Wow, that was a good race. Guys, I'm gonna give you one more round, since this was a good race, the last one. So we're gonna do a 55 roll. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Side by side. We had to let off because of traffic. Definitely was a good matchup for sure. I don't know what happened on the first 60, but these last 2 runs were really good. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more. Later.